We're going to unbox the HDMI switch today, which essentially splits one HDMI output from your monitor into 3 other HDMI ports to allow you to switch from one to the other using a button on it. So if we spin it over, this is one that we've got from Amazon. It's pretty competitive in price, under a tenner. I think it's $8.99 at the moment if you want it. So we're going to open up the box carefully, which takes a little bit of welly at first, and see what we've got inside. So we can see the cable there in the top. So if we pull that out, we have the cable. So we've got just a normal HDMI port with a connector that will go into a monitor, and then we've got 3 different inputs here, HDMI 1, 2 and 3, and essentially those inputs come from different computers, PlayStations, monitors like that, into one projector output. And what you can do on monitor output is you press the select button to change between 1, 2 or 3, rather than having to swap cables all the time. Inside the box then, all we've got remaining is some instructions for the HDMI switch, 1080p one. And if we unwrap these instructions, they should be fairly basic, I would imagine. And if we look there, we've got a quick diagram, which is probably easy to look at. So cable box, media box, Blu-ray, DVD player, game console, computer. So you've got 3 that can go into here, and then the one output to a projector, TV or a monitor. So we're going to connect that up and then see how it works. But you can't go wrong for $8.99, and it's a cheap alternative to as part of a homemade KVM setup.